know it's weird, but I take from the center of my bread because I want the soft, pillowy pieces. So, and then later on I'll eat the end pieces, okay? Or I'll just give those to Jimmy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So I'm just getting my day started. Normally I have a smoothie in the morning, and it's starting to get like a little bit closer to the afternoon, so I kind of skipped the smoothie today. So I don't know, I had a taste for like an egg salad sandwich like I used to eat, because normally in the past when I wasn't vegan, I would have like boiled eggs on hand in the fridge I could just grab and eat. And I thought, well, I'm about to put it together. Why not turn on the camera and show you guys how I'm going to make it for the first time? Technically, this is not my first time making the tofu egg salad. It's just the first time I'm making it for you guys on my channel. I generally use either extra firm or firm tofu. So this one is a firm tofu, and I squeeze all the liquid out of it. And what I like to do is take at least about half of the block, and the one half of the box I'll cut up into little squares to kind of replicate the white of the egg, so you can have that white egg feel. And the other part of the block I will crumble it up, so it's kind of like two different textures and contrast in your mouth, which tastes like an egg salad. Okay, so let me show you. Well, what I'll do is cut up the first one. So we're going to start off seasoning our tofu with this tofu scramble spice. And you can find that on my website. I use the tofu scramble spices. What it has in it is that black salt. So the black salt is right here. This gives it that eggy flavor. And I also put some nutritional yeast in here, a little bit of turmeric in there, onion powder, garlic powder. And so you can use this. It makes it so much faster and easier once you make a blend of this and have it in your cabinet, okay? But if you don't have it, you can use all the spices that I mentioned. I'm gonna start off probably with about a tablespoon of that. We're gonna add a little bit more turmeric to it to give it more color right now. Start off with like a fourth teaspoon of turmeric, just to get it a little bit yellow in there. And with the egg salad, guys, you can put any seasoning that you want on it. This is just going to be a basic egg salad, but you can really do anything with an egg salad. Well, tofu, sorry, it's the tofu salad, not an egg salad. It's a tofu salad. Sorry, guys. I think I'm going to put a little bit more to get a little bit more color. And the turmeric doesn't give it a lot of flavor or anything like that. Not too much flavor, but it is delicious still, either way. I just like the color of it. A little more, that's it. Because we're gonna add a little bit of mustard to this too, so to give it a little yellow color as well. Let's add about a tablespoon of mustard. You're gonna add, again, you can add as much or as less as you like, guys. Totally up to you. This part, we're just getting this part together for the yolk. And you want to give it a little taste. Always want to taste the season when you're seasoning. Oh, that's good. I think it could use a little bit more of the seasoning. Look how pretty that looks. So now for the white portion, we're going to just put the white in a separate bowl. And we want this to start to taste that eggy flavor as well. So what we're going to do is just season it up with a little bit of that black salt. And a little bit goes a long way with this, guy. So let's start off with, and it always has clumps in it. Anyway, let's start off with about, let's see, 1/4 teaspoon. This is one of those season to taste kind of things. Let me taste one. Eggy, but it's not eggy enough. We're going to add a whole 1/2 teaspoon. Break up those clumps. I'm going to have the camera person taste a bite. Tell me if it's eggy enough. Good? Perfect. He said perfect. All right. So now what we're going to do, just combine this in this bowl. Now that we have our tofu nice and seasoned, we're going to bring in the mayonnaise. Okay? So we have a 1/4 cup of, well, hold on. Let me just toss this a little bit. Get that all mixed up. Okay. All right. So we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of vegan mayonnaise. And you can add, again, as much mayonnaise as you like or less. This is just how much we like. And just get that well incorporated. Fold that in nicely. About to make my sandwich, and normally I use sprouted bread, but today this is the only thing I have on hand is the Dave's Killer Bread. It's really good. I really recommend this bread, and you get it at Costco at a good price for 2. So this is what we have in the house. All right, I'm so excited to eat this. I'm hungry at this point. I'm hungry, and I like to take from the center. I know it's weird, but I take from the center of my bread because I want it to soft, pillowy pieces. So, and then later on I'll eat the end pieces, okay? Or I'll just give those to Jimmy. All right. It was TMI. All right, guys. You can toast your bread as well. You know, I sometimes like it toasted, but I'm just too hungry to start toasting bread. I just want to get right in and eat. Oh, you can smell the egginess. Oh man, it smells just like an egg salad. Wow, this is amazing. See, you don't have to eat eggs. And the funny thing is, I don't even like eggs a lot, but every now and then I'll crave like a sandwich like this. You know what I mean? Like the other day, I was craving a bacon sandwich, BLT, right? So I made that sandwich, and I'll post that video as well soon. Unless I already posted, I'm not remembering. But anyway, it's so delicious, and I use tofu for that too. So I'm telling you, this tofu game is on point. Pretty cool. All right, I think that's enough. I'm gonna save some for Jimmy. And this, I think you can get what, maybe 3 or 4 sandwiches out of that. Should be able to if you're not being greedy like I'm doing right now. All right, so I'm about to try it. So our tofu salad sandwich is all done, and I'm gonna give it a try just so I can tell you how delicious it tastes. Just like before, delicious. And it was so crazy. It's like, it felt like I'm eating an egg, but I'm not. And it's just creamy. It's separating the yolk part of the tofu and having the creamy part. It actually tastes like the yolk of an egg in a sense, right? And that texture that you get from a solid piece of the egg white. So it's really delicious, guys. And this is another one that is a keeper always, okay? And this is good to have in your easy meal prep plan. So if you ever trying to do a meal prep, you get plenty of the egg salad, or sorry, the tofu salad. And that should give you, if this is for one person, that'll last you for a whole week, okay? So definitely make that for one of your meal preps. And if you like this video, guys, and more videos that are easy, just as easy as this, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you would like me to make a meal plan guide for you guys, or actually a meal plan or meal prep video, because that's what I've been thinking about making for you guys. So comment below and let me know, okay? Anyway, I am Rosa, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.